300 years ago, this little phrase could get you killed.
Killed, Daniel. It's just a phrase. I said it yesterday.
Show your true colors, yeah. But the real story? Pirates, lies, and a cannon.
Okay, now I need the coffee and the story.
So, show your true colors. Today it means showing who you really are, right?
Right. Usually when someone turns out to be not so nice.
Exactly. But it did not start with people. It started out there, on the ocean. First, one little word. On a ship, sailors call their flag their colors. The flag shows the country. American colors, British colors, French colors.
So colors just means flag. Cute.
Now the trick. One ship could carry many flags from many countries, folded up in a box.
Wait, why would a ship carry another country's flag?
To lie. Picture a pirate ship. Far away is he's a rich trading ship. The pirates want to get close. But if they raise the pirate flag,
Everybody runs.
everybody runs. So instead, they raise a friendly flag, a fake one. They fly false colors.
So the other ship relaxes, thinks they are friends.
Comes closer, no fear, and then at the last second, right before the attack, the pirates drop the fake flag.
And raise the real one.
Their true colors. Everyone finally sees who they really are at the worst possible moment.
Okay, but why drop the fake flag at all? Just keep lying.
Funny part, it was basically a rule of the sea. You could trick a ship all day, but to fire your cannons, you had to show your true colors first.
So attacking with a fake flag was rude, but the cannons were fine?
The most polite lie in history. So today, when someone shows their true colors, they finally show the real person, the one hiding under the friendly flag.
And it is usually not a happy surprise.
Usually not. Like, he was so charming. Then he got angry and showed his true colors.
Or my sweet coworker showed her true colors when she took all the credit.
Perfect. That is exactly how we use it.
Okay, quick recap. On a ship, colors means flag.
Pirates flew fake flags, false colors to trick other ships.
Then raise their true colors right before the attack.
And today, it just means showing who you really are.
Your turn. Has anyone ever shown you their true colors? Tell us in the comments. In English, of course.
Grab a coffee, stay curious.
Same cafe, same coffee by the same sea.